Hey guys, surgery was at 7 a.m. It's 7 hours later now, and I'm pretty much relaxing. They've got my knee on a device that moves it up and down. This has been going on for 2 hours. Had something to eat, that was fine. Little ice cream, that was good. They came in a couple hours ago and took me through this exercise regimen. Went through it pretty well. They got me moving right away. I've got a IV with fluids coming in and pain medication. Don't know what it is, but I haven't felt any pain at all, actually, except for doing the exercises. There was some pain. I feel a little shaky. Other than that, I'm doing good. And I'll keep you updated. They're going to keep me overnight. So I'll talk to you soon.